This is going to be a huge embarrassment.
Yeah, tell me about it. I mean, can you imagine the shame and humiliation you're going to feel?
Yes.
I mean, your kids are going to disown you. Your wife is going to leave you. I mean, it's just insane. I can't believe that you're going to fail this miserably.
My wife is going to leave me. Wow, I didn't realize she wanted to go to space so badly. I didn't realize she wanted to marry an astronaut. This isn't Top Gun where, okay, I'm sorry. My wife's going to leave me? Really? Wow, I didn't see that coming. Yeah. What about the dogs? Will the dogs stay?
Maybe.
One of them?
It's in the air. Right?
Yeah. And especially being at the back, you got the booster going up.
I'm picturing this, and I'm not picturing a good look.
Yeah. 2 round cylinders at the bottom of a shaft.
Yeah, you make them brass in color, and that way, you don't have any reflections from the sun.
Whoa.
You're good.
I can't sit up.
Talk to me, Goose. Talk to me.
See, I knew that we should have made the capsule bigger.
You are absolutely right.
I mean, this thing is like, woo.
What's your backup plan? No.
Just go round at the bottom like that?
No.
Okay, if you really want to make it there, we can make 3.
3.
We're all here together. Peace.
Oh, yeah.
Peace at the edge of space.
Edge of space.
We're going to maintain the peace at the edge of space.
No. God, I'm glad you guys can't see what he's drawing. The filthiest thing you've ever seen.
I mean, this is pretty tight. I think Terry's idea of a bigger capsule would have been better.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Not the brass balls, though. Not the brass balls.
This is awful. When you're describing
Your script.
Look, I'm going to try and grab it. Oh, I missed it. Maybe
I can get it.
I missed it. Oh, it's just going so floaty.
Oh. Wow. I mean, this is pretty tight.
That looks awesome. It's really selling it.
Where'd everybody go? Terry? Scott? Anybody? Where's Jason? Where's the director? Guys. Hey, so Scott, I took care of that reporter.
I knew this lunch was fake.